Hello everyone, so welcome to Chadani Solution. So today I am going to show you how you can set up your grid, or if you want to have lines or smart guides here. So yeah, so to do that, let's create a new file. So let's say you want pixel, you can always change the units. So here I want 1000 by 1000. Okay, you can view the size here by selecting this. Okay, this is the 1000 by 1000 pixel. So to put some grids and set up the grids, just go to edit, preference, and then general, go to guides and grids. So in every grid, let's say there is only one. Okay, let's try to change this to fit. Control R, right click, and then fit. Okay, this is by fit. So that's how you change the unit. You need to show the ruler, Control R, right click, then change. So right now it's fit. Okay, go again to preference. So I want each grid has 1 feet and subdivision of 2. Okay, if it's not showing, just control apostrophe. See, this is 1 feet. So our artboard size is 1 feet. So let's say the artboard size is 10 feet by 10 feet. So okay, so our each grid, this is one grid, so there are some extras. So you have 1 feet grid line and 2 subdivisions. So 1 feet, this is 1 feet here, this 1 feet, and the subdivision is this one. So this is 1 feet, see, 1 feet, and the subdivision is 1, 2. Okay, so if you want to make that 3, just change this to 3. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3. So that's how simple it is. So there are some extra grids here, so you can cut this one if you don't want to. Oops, like that. See, perfect. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.